Planning a day out in Bergamo, but don't want to carry your luggage all around? Radical Storage offers a simple and secure solution for storing your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Bergamo with RadicalStorage, a trusted service that provides fully insured luggage storage through partnerships with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes. To ensure your luggage is safe while you explore, it's best to use the official RadicalStorage link in the video description to avoid phishing websites. Once on the site, simply search for Bergamo in the search bar, and you'll see a list of available storage locations throughout the city. Choose a storage point that's most convenient for your plans, whether near major attractions, transport hubs, or within the city center. Then, select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times and proceed with the secure payment. RadicalStorage guarantees your online transactions are safe, so you can book with confidence. After completing the booking, you'll receive a reference number along with detailed directions to your selected storage point. When you arrive at the chosen location, show the reference number to the staff, and they'll handle the safe storage of your bags. That's all there is to it. You can now explore Bergamo with peace of mind, knowing your belongings are secure with RadicalStorage. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.